Hey guys, welcome to
Tech
Tech
channel.
channel.
Hope you guys
Hope you guys
having a
having
nice
a very
day.
nice day.
Today in this
Today in this
video,
video, I'm gonna show you
how can you
how to
use
use
ChatGPT
ChatGPT
plagiarism
AI
checker.
for beginners.
So guys,
So
at
at first,
first
you need
just
to
go
create
to
an
the
account.
Google or Chrome app.
For that, just go
for
to the
ChatGPT.
Google or Chrome browser in your device.
You need to have an account.
Now search for
Now in the bottom here, just type anything you
chat.openai.com.
want. Just like I'm typing a paragraph
Just search
of
for chat.openai.
farmers.
Now go to the very first website.
Here you can see a login and sign up option. If you already have an account, just click
hold
the
on,
login
guys.
option, and if you don't have an account, just click on sign up. After it is
I'm
completed,
just showing you
just
how
click
can
on
you
this
sign
icon
up.
here. Here
And
you can
it will
see
be
you need
copied.
to put your email address.
Now just
And
open
after
another
putting your
tab
email address, you need to give your name
and search
give your phone
in the
number
search
and
bar
verify everything. And after
ChatGPT
that, you
plagiarism
can create
check.
your account. Now just go to the very first website here. After logging to your account, here you can see in the bottom here a search bar. Paste it. You can search for anything in the search bar, just like an essay. Here you can see analyze option. Click on it. Of modern science. Here you can see it is showing you an essay. Now here you can see the artificial content is 74.1% AI content. After it will be completed, this is how you can check the
and use it
ChatGPT
anywhere.
plagiarism. So guys, that's how you can check ChatGPT plagiarism. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.
It is completed.
You can just simply click on this icon here and it will be copied to your clipboard. You can also search for anything, just like how to learn code, and it will guide you. You can just simply go with this process. You can also search for history, just like search for what happened in this year. And it will show you the incidents. So guys, that's how you can use ChatGPT AI. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.